Hi, my name is Dennis Tosello, owner of Decorrestore. We've been here now 15 years in business, but this part of the production in the manufacturing, we've been doing this for 13 years. And as we've grown, we basically started having a table saw operating to making our cabinets. And then we just I realized that I need to upgrade into a CNC machine. And we purchased this AXYZ woodworking machine, and it's been fabulous. It's improved productivity. Also, you're not getting any issues with when you have doing it manually. You're going to have issues with errors. With this, we're not having any errors at all. I think back in the day, we just started with just redoing cabinetry and just refinishing cabinets. And we just, from that point, we end up starting to also adding on to cabinetry. When I say refacing, and with refacing was modifications, and then modifications, now we've grown into new cabinets now in that line. Yeah, so with the table saw, it was slower. We were having issues with the table saw. It was not being square at times. Nobody was realizing it. And now with having the CNC machine, it made things more precise. How we're actually putting our cabinets together, right? And that was a big thing for us. And you guys have been great. Service-wise, if anything issue is going wrong, you guys were here for us.
Hi, my name is Jazz. I've been with Decorrestore for past 2 years, and I'm a cabinet maker here, and I also run AXYZ WOODWorker, and I've been running this machine for 6 months. So on everyday basis, we run this machine, I think every day, and it made our life so easier since we got this machine, because before we couldn't do so much. Now we can do a lot of big projects on this machine. Before we had all this manual work to do. We used table saw to cut the cabinets, and only table saw, and it took forever to cut one kitchen in a day. But now with this machine, we can be more faster and more accurate with the quality of the product. The quality, the accuracy, the squareness of the pieces. Use compression, down shear, and like 1/4 inch compression, down shear 1/4 inch, and we use V-groove, we use miter fold bits, all kind of stuff. It is very easy to learn because it's a simple process for this machine. It's not very overcomplicated like other machines has their screens on it, and it takes forever to understand all the steps, all the origins of the machine. But this one is simple. You just go and use your board, and that's it.